Hello everyone, I'm Laurel and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you all the little items I purchased for my resin projects, and I got this from Temu, and I am not affiliated with Temu. I purchased these with my own money, and I just want to show you everything I had gotten. So let's begin. Alright, so the first item that I got are these mixed colored glass balls. And as you can see, it's like a little ball. You can obviously make a pair of earrings or a pendant out of it right away, but I got these for when I make my keychain as a little added something, you know. And it's just got like little different colored stars in it. I don't know if you can see it. Oops, not in focus. And these were 99 cents a piece, and I got 2 of those. Then I got some glitter flakes in gold, and they're basically the little stars. And I got these for 44 cents. And then I got them in silver, if I can find them. Got them in silver, and they were 44 cents. And then I got 100 piece, you know, they're here somewhere. Oh my gosh. This was hearts and some other little shapes. And I got this for 80 cents. And there were 100, but I used these for my keychains when I made them. And then I got some mini bubbles. And I'm not sure which one, but those were 44 cents. I got one of them. I think it was this one for 44 cents. You can see little bubbles in there. And then I got some crushed stone. I thought this was kind of interesting and very pretty. And this was 69 cents. And then some gold sequins. This was 44 cents, and I think this is pretty cool. This would make some really nice resin pieces. It's got little shapes in there too, like little triangles and stars and just little round sequins in there. And then I got some star, I think this is it, the silver one. They're little stars, little sequins. And these were 44 cents. Alright, so this is pink butterfly glitter. I don't know if you can see it, but it's butterflies and flowers. And it really doesn't look pink on the camera, but it is. And this was $1.78. And then we have a 20 piece Ladybug. It's for nails. But I'm going to use these obviously for resin. And this was $1.34. These are considered like pottery items. They're just these little teeny slivers of different like little smiley faces, a little skull. I think there's some fruit in there. They got a yin and yang in there. And these were 87 cents. And then we have the holographic star glitter. And that was 44 cents. We have this colorful like candy. I don't know if you can see that. They look like little wrapped candies. And that's for nail art, but I got that for resin, and that was 89 cents. And then I got the 10-piece silver hearts. And I got that for $1.07. And I thought with this, I can use this as like an open bezel and create some really pretty pendants. And then I also got, I believe 3 packages of these. And these are flowers, and as the other ones, I'm going to use them like an open bezel and probably fill them in with resin and possibly put, you know, a rhinestone on there. And I bought 3 of these, and I got these for 89 cents. And then I got the silver elongated hearts. And these were 89 cents. And then I got these turtles, and I bought 3 of those, and each one was 89 cents. And these are like connectors for bracelets, because it has, you know, a bail on each side, so you can connect, like possibly like do a bracelet and then have the turtle, and then you can fill in the inside with some resin color. And I thought those would be nice too. So here we have like bookmark tassels, and obviously in the other video I showed you that I bought silicone bookmark molds. So there's 20 pieces in here, all different colors, and I thought this is, you know, something nice to start with since I'm just starting to make the bookmarks. And then we have holographic hearts. And I do believe I'm going to be using this in my my projects. And I bought 2 of these, and I got them for 49 cents each. And then I got these 3D nail charms in multicolors, and it's just flowers, and you get some like micro beads with it, or like little rhinestones. I thought that was kind of nice, and that was only $1.49. And then I got the same thing in white. And then you can see that there's little rhinestones and little micro beads. And that was $1.49. I also purchased, if I can find them, I just had them. Oh, here they are, right in front of my face. These are abalone shell flakes. And can you see them? And you can break these up into smaller pieces. And I got this for 99 cents. And then I got black rhinestones. I'm not really sure what these were for. I don't remember if they were nail art, or it could be even for your diamond art. I got these for 89 cents. And then I got the clear rhinestones for 89 cents. And then I got this mixed color sequins for 89 cents. And then I got some mini bubble beads. Again, these are 44 cents. And then I got some more mini bubble beads in clear, same as the other ones. And these were 47 cents. And then I got some of the bubble beads in blue, and that was 97 cents. And then I thought these were so cute, I had to get them. This is Finding Nemo stickers, and they're for nail art, and I think they're just extremely adorable. And I'm not sure what project I'm going to use them in yet. I kind of have an idea, and they're small and they're just so cute, and this was a great buy. This was $1.07. And then I got these mini flowers, and I got 100 pieces. I bought these before, but I got a lot more. But these were $1.87 just for this little thing. But I needed some more, so I guess that was an okay buy. They might have them even cheaper by now. And then I have some more of those bubble beads, and this is the Multicolored, and those were 97 cents. My grand total for all of this, including the last video with the molds, came to, this is so bad, $165.54. Now, mind you, I have a few more things coming in, which will bring the grand total up to $174. And I'll tell you this much, if I bought this anyplace else, I'd probably be double that amount. So, thank you for watching, and if you liked it, press the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, press that bell for further notification of my upcoming videos. Check the description box below for all the links. Look for the links for my jewelry, my artwork, and my photography. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye.